That just cannot be right. It's £4 in a month from that. Okay, if this software called Crispy Stix does what it says, then you're going to be onto an absolute winner. Because believe it or not, people are making an absolute fortune over on Etsy selling personalised stickers. I mean, I wouldn't have even thought a tomato ketchup bottle with a personalised sticker on was a thing that people are selling, but they are. They're making a fortune with it. Here's another example. Personalised birthday stickers. I mean, just for that search term alone, 590 people a month are searching for this. It's just crazy. So in today's video, we're going to look at this new software that's just about to launch in the marketplace. I'm going to actually trial and test it, and we'll do it all live. So let's have a little look at it. Welcome to today's video. So Crispy Stix, we're going to have a look at this AI software today. Now, I've not done a review for probably about 8 or 9 months on any piece of software really, because they're all very similar. But today we're going to look at this one, and I'm going to share with you the members area, and we'll look at all the other bits. Now, the reason why we're looking at this actual product today, and I'm going to show you inside of the members area, the training and all the other stuff, is when I was speaking to Ike, the product creator for this, he said, look, it's perfect. Well, I'll show you on here. Look, Crispy Stix is a cloud-based AI software that lets users instantly create unique printable stickers with no prompts, no design skills, no recurring fees. It's perfect for Etsy and it's perfect for beginners. So it's got some claim, hasn't it? So I've literally just got access to this. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go through the training and look at the software, and then I'll be back and update you. Okay, so I've just finished going through the training. Straightforward, simple, and what I liked about it is the videos are really short. So you can see, look, this video, 1 minute and 14 seconds. Straightforward and simple. Scroll down here and look, it literally walks you through this whole process of how to create the stickers, using the AI, how to upscale them, and loads more. And literally, it did seem really simple. So let's go into the actual software and have a little go at this, okay? So this is how it looks on the inside. So if you want to access the videos and the training, you just simply click there. It opens up in a new tab, and you're on here where you just simply go through the training like this, okay? That's ideal. So let's come back over here. Now, this is the software. So in here, you've got all of these different categories, and essentially this software will create done for you stickers, which you can then sell on Etsy. You can also, you'll see over here, it's got mockups, it's got a gallery, it's got loads of other little cool features. But let's just try and see how simple it really is. So the first part of this is you put a prompt in here, and it doesn't need to be anything too crazy. You can just put your prompt in here and then choose a theme on here. Okay, so I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's go with a comic book theme, and let's just say we want, I don't know, Superman. Superman birthday. I'll tell you what, we're going to do Superman holding a birthday cake. I don't even know where that's come from, okay? So we've gone with that. Let's just click on generate and see what happens. Now, it does say in the training, this part here can take 20 to 30 seconds, give or take. So I'll pause it really quick. I won't waste your time. We'll pause it. Oh, look at that. It's done. So let's scroll down here. Look at that. That is absolutely awesome. Superman holding a birthday cake. No technical thing. No, complex prompts or anything. That is it done. Absolutely awesome. Now here, you've got a couple more options. You can generate it straight away if you want to. You can edit the sticker, and then you can also upscale it, or you can add it to your gallery. So if I click on add to gallery, that will go into the gallery of our collections, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back up here, and we are going to click on edit sticker. Now on this edit sticker over here, we can do lots of different things. We can upscale it, we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller. If I click on here and go down the page as well, you'll see we've got a brush, eraser, a paint bucket. There's loads of different things that you can do on here. But for now, let me go back up the page up here. This is it. Let me just move it down here. And then you'll notice up at the top over here, we've got mockups and gallery and loads more stuff. So that's our little sticker done. So I'm just going to click on Save Changes. Okay. And then if I wanted to, I could actually go ahead and download it. But there's also a really cool feature inside of here as well, where you can add text to this, and then you can include it all in the border on here as well. So let me just go back to the training and double check that, and I'll come back and show you. Okay, we're back. I just very quickly watched this little video over here. Again, really short, as you can see, a couple of minutes long, this video. So let's go back over here into the actual software. So this is our image. Now, if we come over here to the gallery, you can do loads of cool little features in here. It gives you the option to add in text. You can add in an outline and loads more stuff. So we're over in the gallery. Here's our Superman image. So in here, we're going to click on edit. And then once we're in this editing tool here, there's loads more things we can actually do with it. So you can see on here, we can change the font, we can add text, we can curve it, and lots more. But at this moment in time, you'll see it's pretty plain, okay? So let's just say we want to add some text. So I mean, with this, you could do personalized stickers for this, you could do generic stickers and loads more. So let's just say we're going to click on add text. And obviously it's going with a birthday theme, so we're just going to put, let's put 9 today, like so. Now, if I want to move this over here, I can put it here. If I want to change the text, I just go to this, and then I scroll down and I pick any one of these that I want. So that one there, 9 today. If I want to change the size of it, again, I can change the size of it on here, really straightforward and simple. And then you can also curve it, which is pretty cool. So, you know, you can see it's just there. But let's just say we want it to go like sort of over the shoulder here. Let's click on curve, and let's curve that text a little bit. And it's just a case of playing around with it. Let's just go with that one, and let's move it here, and let's turn it a bit. And I'm trying to do this as quick as I can for you, so I'm not wasting too much of your time. Let's close that box. 9 today. Let's bring that down a little bit here, like so. Like that, and you can just, like I say, you can just play around with it. You can also change the outline color on this and the actual text color and loads more. But once you're happy with this, you just simply, let's just go and click on save and exit for now. And that should save and exit. There we go. That is that part done. And it's down there. Now you've got more features with this as well. You can upscale this inside of here. You can download it instantly. You can even create a bunch of images and create a collage with this. And you can see here where it says apply outline. You can also put an outline around the whole thing. Okay, let me show you a few more little cool features inside of here. So once you've generated your stickers, you've added them to your gallery, done any simple edits, you'll see over here where it says mockups. It's actually got loads of mockups in here. So whereas previously you need to use different sites and stock footage, you don't have to. You can do all of that inside of here. So it will do the mockup for you, which you can then take and put on Etsy and different platforms. It will even generate the listing for you, and there's loads more stuff. So if I go over here to mockups like so, and we'll go with a single one for now. And you can see here, these are all the different types of mockups. So if I scroll down here, here's someone's hand, holding our sticker. If you like it, you can save it, or you can come along here and look at loads of different ones. So for example, let's just say we wanted it on a phone case. It's there. And again, you can make it bigger, smaller, expand it, etc. Like this. Go back up here. What mobile phones? I mean, look at these. There's loads and loads of different mockups. There's a fridge. So look, you can have the stickers over on the fridges or the cupboards, wherever you like, basically. You can put it on there like so and do this. And again, it's just a case of going through, finding one of the mockups that you're happy with, and then just using that. You could use a number of them. Look at that skateboard. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Put that over there like so. Make sure it fits on here. And then you are good to go with this. Absolutely awesome. Saves so much time and effort with all these little mock-ups inside of here. And then you've got your image, you've got your mock-up, you go to listing generator, and then guess what? Type in the product details, e.g. flower stickers. So let's just say we wanted to go with Superman birthday sticker, like so. And again, all you're doing here is you're just going through and changing this. If you want a theme on here, so let's go with comic book. Scroll further down here, listing style, default, and again, but you can change this to look expert copywriter, specialist, storyteller, kid friendly, etc. So let's just go with that one. Scroll up here. Let's change this down to 4. Click on generate listing. Please wait, it's generating your listing. So literally with this, it can allow you to create these printable stickers over on Etsy. It will do the mock-up for you. It will do the listing for you. It is literally a case of come in, create an image, go through the process, and then upload these stickers and all of these here over onto Etsy. It's done everything for you. And then the other thing as well is if I come back over here into the video, scroll further down the page here. I mean, there's absolutely loads of these, by the way. You can see on here. Come further down here. It goes through the whole thing. Look, Etsy training, niches to go after. It covers different niches to go after. It then shows you how to basically it shows you everything, how to sign up, setting up Etsy, taking advantage of deals, setting up your actual Etsy shop, creating the list. You can see there's absolutely loads and loads of training inside of here. So that is Crispy Stix. This is the sales page. I'll briefly show you this. What I like about it as well is Ike does this as well, so you can see people have been trialing it and testing it. Loads and loads of feedback from people on here. You can go ahead and have a little look at this. Okay, so let's talk bonuses for Crispy Stix now, because I spent absolutely ages thinking, what can I create or do to help you get the most from Crispy Stix? So I've created these two unique bonuses, and I'll share them with you now. Okay, so the first one is I actually created this. I'll show you now over in Canva, and this is the top 5 sticker niches that are currently selling like crazy on Etsy. I did loads of research on it, looked at the top listings from different shops. I also looked at the analytics inside of my own shop, and I did a bit of research on Callow data and different platforms. And this over here, this little PDF contains, as you can see, the top 5 trending sticker niches for 25, which are proven at this moment in time. And I've got prompts in here as well for you, so you will get that absolutely for free. And then the other one, as well as, I'll show you this now, is if I come over here, I actually created this over here. Is this one? Yeah. So this is a pre-made sticker prompt cheat sheet for Crispy Stix, and I've trialed it, I've tested it, and I've gone through it. So in here, I've literally give you, as you can see here, here's one of the niches, planner and productivity stickers. And then for each one of the different niches, I've also broken it down and give you simple copy and paste. So open up Crispy Stix, paste these prompts in, and you're good to go. And also at the bottom as well, down here, I've included how to use these, and I'll show you as well over here in this one. And then in this one, we've actually got right at the bottom for you tips to stand out on here, like covering different sub niches, trends that you can use over on Etsy, and a few more. And then I've actually just been testing this out as well, and I'll include this for you. So it's something I use in my own store, and basically it's got loads of different prompts for creating autumn style clip art stickers. Now you can see on here, there's loads and loads of prompts in here, and these are a bit more complex than just typing in a few little random words. But we've just tested one out as well, and I'll show you that now. So look at that one. We've just tested that out, so they're working really well. So I'll give you that as well as an additional bonus, and then I'll also give you this one as well. Let me grab it. And it's this one over here. This is a 12-page PDF. Again, it's one of my own that I use. It's 100 flower type prompts. So in here, we list out all of the different flowers. So there's loads of different flowers inside of here. Some I'd never even heard of before. And then we also give you the very specific prompts for this. And again, I've just tested one out. So let me show you this. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. So look, all of those bonuses, you won't need to email me. When you buy Crispy Stix, you will get a little link and it says get affiliate bonus. Just click on there and you'll get it absolutely for free. So look, that is Crispy Stix. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll see you soon.